It's a Greenface. Too many stuff to do. Too many things I got to do. I don't know you and I don't know him and I don't know her. I know myself, I know me, myself and I cannot divide. And you know in a bit DM I won't slide anymore. She gotta slide in my DM. Nigga, I'ma pull up in new Benz or BMW. Nigga, I only get W, no else. Nigga, I pull up with the gun, release the shells. I'm a demon and I came from hell. Just like Lucifer, nigga, I rebelled, yeah. Nigga, you better know I'm cold. I'm whiter than the motherfucking tourist, nigga. You better know this, nigga. I'm the killer and rocking the latest Gucci and Dior. Bitch on the floor, bitch in my room, bitch in my kitchen, and she got the pot whipping. Nigga ain't tripping, got the sauce dripping. Nigga got your bitch in my house, I be tipping her like a stripper, nigga. I'ma pull up like the Ripper, nigga. I'ma pull a Freddy Cougar with the Ruger, shoot you off your fucking scooter, nigga. I'ma mute your mouth, nigga. Thought the stalking, nigga ain't with the fucking chatting, nigga. Kill niggas, but no need to be bragging. Toe tag them, body bog them, nigga. In the bushes of your body where we drag them. Tell them me I got blood clot, flag him down like a taxi. And now if you ask me, body drop on my rest, me gonna empty the clip in a chest. 6 spots I press, release my stress. Empty me nose, send me at the fucking best. Rise out the blood clot rifle out of my knapsack, boy get ransacked when me gun start pop and clap and tear off them head top. Just like the line boy head off he chop off, clap off, pop off, and make up on the blood clot. Bang off when I call my G, them tell them say we ready to go back killing spree when MP give with the blood clot reason. Yeah, me and me two gun, them dark call lot of treason. Me and them boy they don't even. So me I go cut them life short and them I get pull up with the rifle and the kill tech. Bullet I go pick like fall of it can't. Body get in bomb when me breathe up me gun like a storm. Tell them me ever never disarm. Cut off a boy on. Tell them MP me a the damn done. You see me? Yeah. Really done in the place. Out here steady and ready.